Here is the secret of how sausages are produced. Everything starts with selecting the best quality meat. While these giant machines make the meat thinner, it is blended with special spice mixtures. These impressive machines quickly and neatly stuff sausage mixture into casings. Each sausage is carefully shaped to be the same size and weight. At this stage, the sausages are carefully packaged and prepared to set out to reach tables around the world. Are you ready to learn how to make fruit yogurt? Everything starts with bringing fresh and high-quality milk to the factory. One of the most important steps in yogurt production is pasteurization. In these giant tanks, milk is purified from harmful microorganisms and made safe and delicious. The pasteurized milk is now transferred to the fermentation tanks. The yogurts are carefully packaged in sterile and hygienic conditions. In this huge factory, we will see step by step how fresh fruits are transformed into sweet and delicious jams. Strawberries arriving at this factory are meticulously checked, and only the best ones are selected for processing. Afterwards, the fruits are washed, chopped, and made ready for processing. After the cooking process is completed, it is time to adjust the consistency of the jam. When the jam is ready, it is poured into sterile jars and carefully packaged. We are going on a fascinating journey where crunchy sandwich crackers are produced. It all starts with carefully selecting high-quality materials and bringing them to the factory. At this stage, flour, salt, and other necessary ingredients are carefully prepared and wait to enter the production process. The shaped dough is baked in giant ovens until it turns golden. After the baking process, the crackers are rapidly cooled to preserve their flavor. Each step ensures the crackers are perfectly crispy. It all starts with the careful picking of the freshest oranges ripening under the sun. Oranges arriving at the factory are carefully cleaned in large washing machines. This step ensures that the dirt and residue on the oranges are completely removed. The oranges are squeezed in giant machines and turned into fresh orange juice. These machines squeeze oranges quickly and efficiently, ensuring orange juice is obtained in its purest form. The squeezed orange juice is then filtered and made smooth. Ready to learn step by step how to make each cereal? It all starts with carefully selecting the highest quality grains and bringing them to the factory. Wheat, corn, and other grains are carefully examined and made ready for processing. Grains are ground into fine grains in giant grinding machines. The cooked cereals now move on to the flavoring and coating stage. The coated cereals are rapidly cooled to preserve their freshness. Are you ready to explore this magnificent journey from the field to our glass together? When the collected leaves reach the factory, the withering process begins immediately. The rolled leaves are fermented and gain the characteristic tea aroma and color. Dried leaves are classified according to quality and packaged carefully. Packaged teas are stored in cool and dry environments and prepared for distribution. It all starts with the collection of ripe coffee fruits on coffee farms. The collected coffee fruits are brought to the processing facility and subjected to sorting here. After the peels and pulp of the fruits are separated, the seeds are taken into fermentation tanks. The dried beans are then subjected to the roasting process. The roasting process gives coffee beans their unique taste and aroma. Packaged coffees are stored under ideal conditions and prepared for distribution. We take you to the production process of the tuna that reaches our tables from the depths of the oceans. The caught tuna is quickly cooled and transported to the processing facility to preserve its freshness. Filleted tuna is cooked in special ovens. This step preserves and enhances the flavor and nutritional value of the fish. Canned tuna is carefully packaged through quality control processes. Hazelnuts, walnuts, and almonds are harvested at their optimal maturity periods and transported to the factory. Nuts arriving at the factory are cleaned of dust and foreign substances in large cleaning machines. Then, special sorting machines come into play and the shells of the nuts are carefully separated. Roasted and dried nuts are carefully packaged in automatic machines. Each package is filled under hygienic conditions and hermetically sealed to maintain freshness. Then the labeling machines come into play and each package is equipped with informational and brand labels. Farmers select the freshest and highest quality fruits and deliver them to the factory. This stage is the first step that determines the quality of dried fruits. The cleaned fruits are then divided into equal pieces in slicing machines. This process ensures that the fruits are ready for the drying process. Once the drying process is completed, the fruits are quickly cooled and preserve their freshness. The cooled fruits are carefully packaged and covered in airtight packaging.